Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to automatically copy trading signals from Telegram to MT4 and MT5 using AI. This is a complete step-by-step guide covering installation, configuration, and real examples, so the video will be a little longer than usual. What is a Telegram to MT4 or MT5 signal copier? A Telegram to MT4 MT5 signal copier automatically receives trading signals from Telegram groups and channels, then executes them on your MT4 or MT5 trading account. There are many signal copiers available, but this solution is different. It is fully self-hosted with no monthly subscription. AI understands trading signals in virtually any format and language, so there's no need to create templates, custom parsers, or complicated rules. It also includes powerful features such as symbol mapping, risk management, signal customization, and many other advanced settings, giving you complete control over how your trading signals are processed and executed. To copy Telegram signals to MT4 or MT5 using AI, you'll need three components. Signal Copier Bridge, the desktop application that connects your Telegram signal sources to your trading platforms. It is also where you configure and manage your automation. Telegram to MT5 AI Expert Advisor, or the MT4 version if you use MetaTrader 4, the expert advisor that receives and executes trading commands. An OpenAI API Key. This enables AI-powered signal parsing. The AI can understand trading signals written in different formats and languages without predefined templates or parsing rules. With this solution, you can automate almost any type of trading signal. Supported actions include buy and sell orders, cancel pending orders, close open positions, set stop loss and take profit, move stop loss to break even, configure trailing stop. It also supports advanced trading features such as multiple take profit levels, partial closes, different price and volume units, signal filters, and much more. We'll cover these features throughout the video. Before we begin the setup, let me take a moment to explain how the entire system works. Step 1. Receive a Telegram trading signal. Whenever a new trading signal is posted in a Telegram group or channel that your Telegram account has access to, the Signal Copier Bridge automatically detects and captures it. Step 2. AI analyzes the trading signal. The AI reads and interprets the trading signal, understanding different formats, writing styles, and languages without requiring predefined templates or parsing rules. Step 3. Apply your trading preferences. Before the trade is executed, your receiver settings are automatically applied to match your trading strategy. Once everything has been processed, the final trading signal is executed instantly on your MT4 or MT5 trading account. Now that you understand how the system works, let's get started with the setup. Let's download and install the Signal Copier Bridge. Open the download page and click the .exe file. I'll save it to my desktop. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer to begin. You may see a Windows security warning because the application is not code signed yet. Simply click More Info, then run anyway to continue with the installation. Follow the installation wizard as you normally would. The Signal Copier Bridge is now installed and has started. When you open the application for the first time, you'll see this screen to connect your Telegram account. To continue, you'll need your Telegram API credentials, which consist of an app ID and an app hash. If you're not familiar with these, don't worry. Click this link to open the step-by-step guide. The same guide is also available on the MQL5 product page, so let's open it. Click the link to go to the Telegram API settings page. Sign in with your Telegram phone number. Telegram will send a verification code to your account. Enter the code to continue. After signing in, click API Development Tools. I've already created my API credentials, so they're shown here. If this is your first time, simply create a new application and Telegram will generate these credentials for you. This is your app ID and this is your app hash. Copy both values and paste them into the Signal Copier bridge. That's the most complicated step completed. Click Continue, then enter your Telegram phone number. Make sure it includes the plus sign and your country code, just like this. Click Continue again. Telegram will send a login code to your account. Copy the code, paste it here, and click Complete. That's it. Your Telegram account is now connected to the Signal Copier bridge and ready to receive trading signals. Here is the list of all the Telegram groups and channels that my Telegram account has joined. Whenever a trading signal is posted in one of these groups or channels, the Signal Copier bridge can detect and process it automatically. If you join or leave a group or channel, or if any information changes, for example, if the group name is updated, simply click the refresh button to update the list. As you can see, the group name has been updated here. By default, all groups and channels are disabled, which means no trading signals will be processed. Simply enable the groups and channels you want to monitor. I'll turn on these channels, which means only trading signals from these channels will be processed. Messages from all other groups and channels will be ignored. Next, you'll need to enter your OpenAI API key. As I mentioned earlier, AI allows the Signal Copier bridge to understand trading signals in almost any format or language without requiring templates or complex parsing rules. Because this is a fully self-hosted solution, you'll need to use your own OpenAI API key. Let's create one now. Here's the guide to creating an API key. Currently, the application supports OpenAI, ChatGPT, with support for additional AI providers planned in future updates. Open the OpenAI website, go to API Keys, and click Create New Secret Key. Enter a name for your key. Then click Create Secret Key. Copy the generated API key and paste it into the AI key field in the Signal Copier bridge. This key allows ChatGPT to analyze and parse your trading signals automatically. Make sure your OpenAI account has available API credits. You can add credits from your OpenAI billing page. The application uses the GPT 4.1 model, which is very cost-effective. In most cases, the cost is approximately $1 for every 1,000 trading signals processed. That's it. Your Telegram account is now connected, your AI key has been configured, and the application is ready to receive and understand your trading signals. The final step is to connect your MT4 or MT5 trading account, where the trades will be executed automatically. You only need to install one version of the Expert Advisor. Click this button to open the EA's page on the MetaTrader market, where you can purchase and download it. Please note that the demo version is not compatible with this EA. If you're using MetaTrader 4, the MT4 version is also available. Simply purchase and install that version instead. Now let's open my MT5 terminal. I've already installed the EA, so it's available in the Navigator panel. Before attaching the EA, you need to enable Web Request. Check Allow Web Request for listed URL, then add 127.0.0.1. This is the local address of your own computer, or VPS. Now double-click the EA to attach it to the chart. The EA doesn't require any input settings. Simply make sure Allow Algo Trading is enabled. Also, enable algo trading from the MT5 toolbar so the EA has permission to place trades. Once everything is configured, you'll see the connection status displayed on the chart. If you switch back to the Signal Copier bridge, you'll also see your trading account connected here. This is the account where all trades will be executed. Your MT5 setup is now complete. Next, I'll show you how to install the EA on MetaTrader 4. The process is almost identical. I'll open my MT4 terminal and double-click the EA to install it. Just like the MT5 version, there are no input settings to configure. Simply make sure Allow Algo Trading is checked. Notice that the connection status is still waiting. That's because we haven't enabled the web request URL yet. Let's do that now. Open Tools, Options, enable Allow Web Request for listed URL and enter http://127.0.0.1. Notice the difference. MT4 requires http:// while MT5 only requires 127.0.0.1. This is the most common setup mistake, so be sure to enter the correct address for your platform. Click OK. The connection status now changes to connected. Back in the Signal Copier bridge, you can see that the MT4 trading account is now connected. The account number matches the one currently logged into MT4. You only need to attach the EA to one chart. It doesn't matter which symbol or time frame you choose, the EA can manage trades for any symbol. I personally prefer using MT5, so I'll disconnect MT4 and reconnect my MT5 account. Now the setup is complete. Whenever a trading signal is detected in one of the enabled Telegram channels, it will be analyzed by AI and executed automatically on this trading account. The AI can understand trading signals in different formats and languages, so there's no need to create signal templates or complex parsing rules. Let's test the setup. I'll send a simple trading signal. Buy 1 EUR/USD at market. Back in the trading terminal. Perfect. The market order has been placed automatically. Now I'll send another signal to close all open positions. As you can see, the position is closed immediately. Everything is working as expected. Now let's return to the setup guide. We've finished configuring the automation. Next, let's go through the available settings to customize your signal sources and signal receiver. These settings are applied automatically after the AI has analyzed the trading signal and before any orders are placed in your trading account. First, let's look at the signal source settings. Here, you can control which trading actions are allowed from each signal source. Simply enable the actions you want to follow and disable the ones you want to ignore. You can also choose to ignore outgoing messages. Outgoing messages are the messages sent by your own Telegram account. If you don't want your own messages or trading signals to be processed, simply enable this option. For this tutorial, I'll leave it at the default setting. Next are the receiver settings. This is where you configure symbol mapping, risk management, signal customization, and many other advanced options. These settings give you complete control over how trading signals are processed and executed on your MT4 or MT5 account. If you're unsure what a setting does, simply hover over the help icon to see a brief explanation. To change a setting, click the edit icon. Let's start with the symbol filter settings. The symbol filter lets you choose which symbols are allowed and which should be ignored. This filter is applied before symbol mapping. Now I'll send a trading signal. Since EUR/USD is allowed, the signal is processed and the trade is executed. Next, I'll send a signal for XAU/USD. This time, no order is placed because the symbol is blocked by the filter. Let's check the history logs to see what happened. This is the first signal. It bought EURUSD and a new position was opened successfully. And this is the second signal. It was rejected because XAUUSD is not an allowed symbol. That's how the symbol filter works. Now let's look at symbol mapping. Symbol mapping lets you configure prefixes, suffixes, and custom symbol mappings. Here's a simple example. With this configuration, every symbol received from Telegram will have M added to the beginning and hash added to the end. This is useful if your broker uses symbol prefixes or suffixes. I've also created a mapping from gold to XAUUSD. That means whenever a signal contains gold, it will automatically be converted to XAUUSD, matching the symbol used by my broker. Remember, symbol mapping is applied after the symbol filter. My demo broker doesn't use prefixes or suffixes, so I'll remove those settings and keep only the mapping rule. I'll also disable the symbol filter to keep this demonstration simple. Now I'll send a signal to buy 1 gold. Let's check the trading terminal. As you can see, the actual order was placed for XAUUSD. If we look at the history logs, we can see that the signal originally contained gold, but after symbol mapping, it was executed as XAUUSD. Without this mapping, the signal would have failed, because my broker doesn't recognize gold as a valid trading symbol. Next, let's move on to risk management. Most of these settings are straightforward. Simply configure them to match your trading strategy. However, there are 2 advanced options worth paying attention to. Pyramiding. Close on reverse. I'll enter some sample values. If you're not sure what they do, simply hover over the help icon. Each available option is explained in detail, making it easy to choose the one that best fits your trading strategy. The same applies to close on reverse. Hover over the help icon to read the descriptions, then select the option that matches how you want your trades to be managed. Here's the current setup. However, testing these settings requires specific trading conditions, so I'll skip the demonstration for now to keep this video concise. Next, let's look at the trading size settings. This is where you control how position sizes from trading signals are handled. The signal with size settings apply to signals that already include a position size. You can choose to use the size from the signal while overriding it with your own rules. For example, you can keep the original size but limit it to a minimum and maximum value. You can also choose other sizing methods, such as using a fixed lot size for every trade, trading a percentage of your account balance, multiplying the position size from the signal by any value you choose, Let's use the multiply option for this example. The signal without size settings apply to signals that don't specify a position size. In this case, I'll use a fixed lot size of 0.1 lots for every signal that doesn't include a size. With this configuration, if a signal includes a position size, the size will be multiplied by 2 while staying between 0.5 and 2 lots. If a signal doesn't include a position size, the trade will always be opened with 0.1 lots. Before testing, I'll enable pyramiding so new orders won't be filtered if there's already an open position. Now let's send a test signal. The signal specifies 0.5 lots, so after applying our multiplier, the order is placed with 1.0 lot, exactly as expected. Let's try another signal. This one specifies 1 lot, so the order is opened with 2 lots, again matching our settings. Now let's send one more signal. This signal should become 4 lots after doubling, but the order is still opened with 2 lots. That's because we also configured a maximum position size of 2 lots, so the result is automatically capped. This is how you can customize position sizing to match your trading strategy and account risk, regardless of the lot size specified in the original trading signal. Next, let's customize the stop loss settings. Just like position size, stop loss has separate settings for signals with a stop loss and signals without one. For signals that already include a stop loss, you have several options. You can use the stop loss from the signal, replace it with a fixed number of pips, calculate it as a percentage of price, or even remove it completely. For signals that don't include a stop loss, you can define your own default value. For this demonstration, I'll set a fixed stop loss of 10 pips. Now let's test it. First, I'll close all open positions to make the results easier to see. Done. Now I'll send a signal that doesn't include a stop loss. Here's the new position. As you can see, a 10 pip stop loss has been added automatically exactly as we configured. Next, let's customize the take profit settings. By default, the application uses the take profit levels from the trading signal and splits the position size evenly across all levels. However, you can choose from several different take profit strategies to match your own trading style. For this example, I'll assign different position sizes to each take profit level. I'll also configure default take profit levels for signals that don't include any. I'll use fixed values in pips for this demonstration. Now my stop loss and take profit settings are ready. As you can see, the application doesn't just copy trading signals automatically. It also gives you the flexibility to customize every signal, so it matches your own trading strategy and risk management rules. Now I'll send a new trading signal. This signal doesn't include a stop loss, so our default 10 pip stop loss will be applied automatically. It also contains 3 take profit levels, but it doesn't specify the position size for each level. That means our take profit configuration will be applied automatically as well. Let's send the signal and see the result. Perfect! As you can see, 3 separate orders have been opened because the signal contains 3 take profit levels. Each order uses the position size we configured for its corresponding take profit level. The total position size is 2 lots, since our position size setting doubles the size specified in the signal. Great. Now let's take one more look at our current customization settings. We're almost finished. There are just a couple more features I'd like to show you. First is the break-even settings. By default, when a break-even signal is received, the stop loss is moved to the trade's entry price. If you'd like to lock in a small profit to help cover spreads, commissions, or swap fees, you can add an offset here. For this example, I'll set the break-even offset to 2 pips. Next is the trailing stop settings. The trigger level determines when the trailing stop starts. You can specify it in pips or as a percentage of the price movement from the entry price. If you leave it blank, the trailing stop begins as soon as a trailing stop signal is received. The distance level determines how far the stop loss stays behind the current market price while trailing. If this field is left blank, the stop loss will trail using the latest market price. I'll enter some sample values for this demonstration. And that's it. We've now covered all of the advanced customization options. In most cases, you won't need to change these settings. The default configuration works well for most trading strategies, but whenever you need more control, all of these powerful options are available to help you customize exactly how your trading signals are processed and executed. That's it. Your setup is now complete. Your Telegram trading signals are now being processed automatically on your MT4 or MT5 trading account. If you want to temporarily stop processing trading signals, simply click pause. While the connection is paused, no new signals will be processed. Click Resume whenever you're ready to continue. You can also configure your trading schedule. Select the days and time ranges when you want the automation to trade. Any signals received outside of these trading hours will be ignored automatically. If you'd like to receive instant trade notifications, simply enter your Telegram username here. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a summary of your trading activity. You can view statistics grouped by signal source, trading action, or symbol, and you can change the reporting period at any time. Finally, we have the history logs. This is where you'll find detailed information about every trading signal that has been received and processed. We've already looked at these logs earlier in the video. If a signal isn't processed as expected, the history logs are the best place to identify the reason and troubleshoot the issue. You can also use the filters here to quickly find the logs you're looking for. This AI-powered solution can understand trading signals written in almost any format or language. Your signals don't need to follow a fixed template or strict syntax. As long as the trading instructions are clear, the AI can interpret and process them automatically. If you'd like to create your own trading signals or see exactly how the AI interprets them, we've included two helpful tools. The first is the Signal Generator. This tool lets you generate trading signals quickly by selecting the options you want. It also shows all supported trading actions, parameters, and units. Simply select the trading action, adjust the parameters as needed, copy the generated signal, and paste it into a Telegram message. The second tool is the Signal Tester. This tool lets you test your trading signals before using them in live trading. It shows exactly how the AI will interpret the signal and what actions will be executed on your trading account. To use it, paste or type your trading signal into the signal box. Click Parse Signal with AI. Review the parsed result before sending the signal to your trading account. The last feature I'd like to show you is Clear Data. You can use this to reset different parts of the application, including your connected Telegram account, connections, signal source settings, receiver settings, or history logs. For this example, I'll clear only the history logs. Click Confirm. As you can see, all previous log entries have been removed. And that's it. We've covered everything you need to know about this solution, from installation and setup to configuration and real trading examples. If you need additional help, be sure to check out the documentation or contact me for support. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.